Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the hidden metadata that's totally holding your images back.
So you upload stunning photos, but get zero traffic? Let's figure out why they're basically invisible.
The missing link is metadata. First up is EXIF, which secretly stores your camera's exact technical details. Then there's IPTC. This is the crucial stuff platforms actually read, like your keywords and copyright info. And Adobe's XMP format is like the ultimate wrapper, smoothly bundling both EXIF and IPTC together. Why care? Because search giants like Google and Pinterest are actively crawling this exact embedded data.
For e-commerce, platforms like Etsy and Shopify rely on these keywords to power their own internal searches.
Doing stock photography, giants like Adobe and Shutterstock will literally reject your work without this metadata.
Here's the kicker. Images with complete metadata can literally outperform unoptimized ones by a massive 40%.
Even wilder, a 2024 Princeton study found AI cites this structured metadata up to 40% more. The fix is super easy. Browser-based EXIF injectors let you skip that clunky, outdated desktop software entirely. Tools like EXIF Injector absolutely dominate here, giving you bulk processing and over 140 platform presets. Those 140-plus presets are a total game changer, saving massive time if you sell across multiple marketplaces. The best part? This whole 5-step injection process takes less than 2 minutes from start to finish. Just make sure to hit the absolute minimums: title, description, keywords, copyright, and creator. Worried about privacy? Don't be. Reputable tools immediately delete your files from their servers after processing. Advanced injectors even use AI to analyze your visuals, suggesting the absolute highest-ranking IPTC keywords automatically. It's basically an essential weapon for photographers and sellers who want to drastically scale their visibility. Your masterpieces deserve to be seen, so are you ready to finally secure your digital rights?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With EXIF Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. EXIF, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.